iPads are perfect for watching movies on the go, bigger screen than iPhones. More portable than laptops. In this video, we'll show you how to easily transfer videos to your iPad. Let's get started. Part 1. How to put movies on iPad via iOS transfer. Downloaded movies on your PC? You can easily move them to your iPad with iOS transfer. iOS transfer lets you copy movies, music, photos, and more between iPad and PC. No iTunes needed. It's a simple way to manage and move your files anytime. How to save movies to iPad using iOS transfer. Step 1. First, download the app on a PC and launch it. Next, connect the iPad to computer using a lightning cable. Step 2. Choose the videos option from the left panel and wait for some time for all the multimedia files to load to the software. Check at the top of the interface to see the multimedia files arranged in groups. Choose the Movies option. Step 3. Tap on Add button, then locate the movies you wish to import. Check and hit Open. Part 2. How to add movies to iPad with iTunes. Open iTunes, connect iPad, and enable Manually Manage Videos. Add videos under Files. Enable Sync Movies. Select Videos and click Apply. Part 3. How to transfer movies to iPad by syncing with Finder. Open Finder on your Mac. Connect your iPad once detected. It appears under Locations. Click your iPad, then go to the Movies tab. Enable Sync Movies. Select the ones you want, and click Apply to transfer. Part 4. How to move movie to iPad using Google Drive. Create a Gmail account and open Google Drive. Make a folder and upload your movies. On your iPad, sign into Gmail, open the folder, and stream or download the videos. Part 5. How to store movie on iPad from another phone using SHAREit. Install SHAREit on both devices. Tap Send on Source. Select Movies. Tap Receive on iPad. Connect devices when prompted. Transfer starts. Files appear in My Files. Part 6. How to add movies to iPad wirelessly using VLC. Open VLC on iPad, tap Cone icon, enable sharing via Wi-Fi. Enter shown IP in computer browser. Upload videos. They appear in VLC. To save to photos. Open Video Share Save Video.